are very few things that I use every single day, but those things are things that I absolutely love, and they are all from Amazon. So in today's video, I'm going to share the Amazon products I use every single day, and these are my best Amazon products of all time, and you guys love them too because you always sell them out. Now, before we get into today's video, if you like this type of content, please consider smashing that subscribe button and turning on those notifications because I have new videos every Monday and Friday, and I'd love to have you as a part of our community. So the number one Amazon product that you guys love is the Beckham Hotel Collection pillow. These pillows are incredible. I am very, very particular when it comes to slumber. I'm like the princess and the pea, and these pillows are really fantastic. If you're a side sleeper, back sleeper, stomach sleeper, these have you covered. I'm telling you, when I had surgery, when I had my breast reduction, these changed the game for me. They're so comfortable. They're really nice and full, so you can achieve that really luxe, high-end looking bedding pillow arrangement, but you can also sleep on them. So you don't have to have decorative pillows that are different from your sleeping pillows, which I really appreciate. Next is this bamboo mattress topper. So for years and years and years and years, you guys would go, Kiva, what mattress topper should I get? And I was like, well, I don't know. And so I've tested so many of them in the past year, and this one is incredible. I sleep like a baby on this. So this is the bamboo mattress topper, and the bamboo portion is really, really important because that helps it be cooling. So even if it's the middle of the summer, you don't have to rip the mattress topper off your bed. You still get that really nice plush feel. Now, I'm the type of sleeper where I like a really firm blanket, but I like a nice like pillow top feel. And I feel like that's exactly what this mattress topper provides. Plus, you can just take it off and throw it in the washing machine, and it has really, really nice deep pockets. So even if you have a super thick mattress, we have an 18-inch mattress, there's still lots and lots of fabric to make sure that it's tucked under and it doesn't slide in the middle of the night. Now, since I mentioned my mattress, no, that's not from Amazon. My mattress was so expensive, I want to vomit, but something that I love to use on my mattress is my mattress vacuum. So I've been talking about mattress vacuums forever. You guys have seen the Hersman mattress vacuum, and that was like it for me. Then I tried this one, and the second I posted it, you guys just like bought it up because it is so good. So this mattress topper is a little bit more expensive. It's normally $129. Supposedly, I've only ever seen it be as expensive as $99, which is still a lot of money, but it gets all of that debris out of your mattress, out of your upholstery. It has a UV light. It has 2 different canisters. It has washable filters, so you don't need to buy a new filter, but you can use this to suck all of the debris out. Now, I made the mistake of using this on a duvet cover that like had been sitting there for like a bit, but not that long, and oh my gosh, it was disgusting. This mattress vacuum is so good, and for me personally, this is not like medical knowledge or it's not like a disclosure on the thing, but I will say that I definitely sneeze and cough less in bed when I use this as opposed to when I don't. Now, another bedding item that you guys love, it's a major bestseller, is the Royal Living Duvet. Now, I love luxurious bedding. Like, I'm one of those people, like, I will spend all of the money on my bedding because like my sleep is the most important thing to me, but this is better than Hotel Collection, Pottery Barn, all of the luxury duvets I have tried. So this Royal Living Duvet, it's normally $160. It goes down to as low as $99 sometimes. I love it. What I love about this duvet is that it's quilted, so the feathers don't move about. So even if you move, the feathers don't move. So you get really even distribution of heat and insulation and all of that, which is fantastic. What I also love about this is it does have ties in the corner, so you can really adequately secure it to your duvet cover. So again, they're not becoming detached. That just drives me bonkers. So I really, really love that. And this just really is a great all seasons duvet. I don't feel the need to change this, you know, change it out for summer and winter. I can use this year round. There's another one that I love that I'll talk about shortly, but I think this is great for all seasons. Now, if you are tired of fighting with your spouse over bedding though, if you're tired of playing tug of war with the duvet, you're going to love the DWR Super King duvet, which the Royal Living is the bestseller, but the DWR is like right behind it. This is so good because it comes in a Super King, an oversized king, an oversized queen, and then the standard sizes as well. What's really beautiful about this is that it's oversized, right? It's like in the name, it's in the name, but you can put this in a standard size duvet cover and you get that double stuffed fluffy look without having to double stuff duvets, because that can be really, really hot, and that's what all the designer stores tell you to do, and they just want you to be hot and uncomfortable and like buy new sheets because you've sweat through all the ones that they made you buy. Maybe that's what it is. You can do that to get like the fluffy look, but you can also buy like an oversized king or an oversized queen duvet cover. For the queen, you just buy a king, but an oversized one, and then you can get a nice drapey look on either side of your bed to kind of conceal what's underneath your bed and to get that really nice, full, robust sort of styling. So you really can't go wrong with either. I will say that the DWR feels a little bit more like winter relevant for me, whereas the Royal Living is a true all seasons in my opinion. Another bedding item that I love, you guys love, these sell out all the time. It is the Feather and Stitch sheet. So these are damask sheets. They're 100% cotton and they have the stripes. They also have a version without stripes and they're just buttery soft. They feel just like Wamsutta, and that's really all I have to say. I've searched for years and years and years for something similar to Wamsutta now that they no longer sell them, and these are the alternative. They get softer with every wash. I sleep like a baby in them, and they're really fantastic. And I think they're like $75 for a king. Designer sheets are like $150, and they're like, you only get the flat sheet. No fitted sheet, no pillowcases. Also, you can't buy a mattress. So I do really, really like these sheets, and they come in so many different colors. This garlic peeler, I thought this was gonna be a scam when I got it, and I did like my Amazon unboxing, and this has been amazing. This will peel your garlic. All you have to do is shove the garlic in there, press down on it, and it takes the skin off, and you have your perfectly peeled garlic. Could you like use a knife to smash it and do all of this? Yes, but now your hands don't get super garlicky and gross, and that like was worth the $8 that I spent for 2 of these, and I use this like almost every day because I cook with garlic every day. And when you do have smelly hands, this soap is so good. It's like a charcoal soap. It smells sexy. It smells delicious. It smells divine. Your hands, you're just like smelling your hands all day. I don't know, that's the kind of soap you want. It's way cheaper than like a Joe Malone soap or a Le Labo soap. If you want to like have fancy soap in your powder room when you have guests, I'm one of those people. I'm like, I want you to remember my soap when you come over. This is the way to do that, and I think the soap is like $39, so it's a lot more affordable, but of course you could literally just go get Dawn dish soap and put it in a nice container and kind of call it a day. And that brings us to our next item, which is this peel and stick TV cover. Now I'm gonna tell you the truth about this. I didn't realize this was peel and stick, so I left it in my utility closet for the longest time. When I finally discovered that it was peel and stick, one, it took me like 30 seconds to install it, and you guys sold it out. So basically, it's peel and stick, and it covers all of your wires. So I have one with my frame TV. You guys have been subject to looking at that horrible wire for years and years and years, so I hope you're happy now. Yay, we fixed it. But this is really fantastic. It's peel and stick. I was able to cut it with scissors. Then I went and got like a wire cutter. That did better. You can use a hacksaw. I couldn't find a hacksaw at the moment, but this is really great. It sticks on super well. It hasn't fallen off yet. We're doing great. And it is paintable. So if you want to paint it to match your wall, you can do that as well to really get that seamless look. You guys love this. I love this too. And I use this every single day of my life because I cook every single day of my life, and I hate that for me. But it is this foldable trivet. These trivets are amazing. I think you get a pack of like 3 or 4, and basically you can fold it up like so. You can even unfold this with like one hand. You know, my hands aren't great, but with one hand, right? And you can use it as a trivet. I put my cast iron on here. I put my Dutch ovens on here, and I never ruin my counters. I hate trivets, like traditional trivets. They take up so much space. I don't know where to store them. And a lot of like the rubber ones, they will stain your countertop in like a weird funky way. So these are really fantastic, and they just fit in my cutlery drawer, and I kind of keep it moving. This one is also very simple, but I don't like the look of paper towels out on the counter. I think they also get like really dirty that way, because like maybe like you have some oil popping out of your pan, or like the dishes, or like there's too many dishes in the sink, and like, you know, some debris coming out, and you get your paper towels dirty. That's why I have this peel and stick towel holder. It's like $7, something like that. I've had this forever. You just peel it off, you push it on the cabinet, and then the paper towels stay in there, and I just keep it closed, and it is glorious. It's wonderful. It's fantastic. It just kind of keeps the paper towels out of the way, and it keeps the paper towels clean until you are ready to use them. Another like small gadgety thing that I love from Amazon that you guys love too is this surge protector. I didn't know I could be this excited about a surge protector. What's really great about this is you can hang it on the wall, you can peel and stick it on the wall. It has 8 different electrical sockets, and it has USB ports, and it has it all over. So you can charge literally everything in the world using this one surge protector, which I think is absolutely fantastic. And if you want to take it to the next level, you can even put it on a smart plug. That's way too much effort in my opinion, but it gives you the coverage to charge your Apple Watch, your phone, your this, your that, all at the same time, but you're not like competing trying to shove things in there because the sockets are really well distributed around the surge protector. I also have to talk to you about the Tidy Wrap. The Tidy Wrap is like probably the product that got me into Amazon gadgets. Basically what you do with the Tidy Wrap is you will attach it. It's peel and stick to an appliance, and you can wrap the cord using this. And it's wonderful because I hate the look of cords. I would literally rather put my toaster on the ground than see the toaster cord. I know that's dramatic, but it's truly how I feel. So I love the Tidy Wrap. I've had the same one on my Nespresso for 2 years now. It's never peeled off, and it does a wonderful job. And I think it just gives you that nice cable management look in places where you have tons of appliances. The next item you guys love is the Chom Chom. If you don't know what the Chom Chom is, it is for pet hair, and I will say it also works super well on human hair. Basically, it doesn't have like any tape or like anything like that adhesive, but you just rub it and the friction like allows you to get all of like the dog hair out of your sofa. My sister-in-law, she has the cutest little dog ever, but his fur, but this is a wonderful job of getting it up so we can all hang out as a family and I don't have to cry on the inside and outside when he leaves because the Chom Chom allows me to get it up really, really swiftly. And if you've never cleaned your dryer vent, this is going to be like your cleaning porn, if that's, you know, a term you're familiar with. This is so fun. So basically you attach this to like any vacuum and it allows you to clean your dryer vent. When was the last time you cleaned your dryer vent? Let me know down in the comments. The answer is probably not recently. This gets all of the lint and debris that like you didn't get out when you scraped off like the screen because it just gets stuck down there and it sucks it all out. And trust me, your clothes will be drier. You will not smell as many like fiery smells when you're using your dryer. It really just improves everything and it's fantastic and it's like $8 and you only really ever have to buy this once. Something else that I cannot live without from Amazon is the dusting gloves. So dusting gloves are amazing, especially for like plants and things like that, because they get off all the debris without you having to really agitate them. But I think this is really great for mirrors, lighting, things like that. Things that are a little bit more delicate that need to be dusted where you can really see the dust on them. There's nothing worse than a dusty mirror, but if you touch a mirror just like slightly too hard, it's ruined. So these dusting gloves are amazing. I use them and then I'll just wash them in the washing machine and use them over and over and over again. And this way I'm actually able to give my home a really good dusting without having to use as many chemicals as I used to have to before. And if you have stains in your home from a pet, from a human, from an alien, from whatever, you need to get Folx. Folx is obviously readily available on Amazon. I will say, full transparency, it's way cheaper at Lowe's. So just go to Lowe's. But if you don't have a Lowe's locally, you can buy it on Amazon. But Folx is amazing. My sister-in-law came over the other day. She spilled coffee on herself, fixed. If I spill paint on the ground, Folx, fixed. If you vomit on something, Folx, fixed. It is the solution to all your problems. It is the best cleaner in the world. All you need is the Folx, a paper towel or like a rag, and some agitation, and this will fix all of your woes. And this is more of a decorative item, but you guys love these faux tulips because they are real touch tulips. They feel like real tulips. These are the most realistic faux flowers I've ever seen, and at $25 for I think a dozen of them, that price is really, really great because normally faux flowers, they're like $500, and I'm like, how did you even decide on that price? It doesn't even look real. So these are really great. They come in so many different colors. I have purple, I also have red, and I love them both very, very much. Now I have a few more miscellaneous items that you guys love and I love too. First is this portable bubble mat. I am a bath girly. If I'm stressed, I'm gonna take a bath. If I'm happy, I'm gonna take a bath. If I'm tired, I'm gonna take a bath. If I'm whatever, I'm gonna take a bath. I love taking a bath. I do not have a jetted tub, so I really love this mat because what you do with this mat is you put it down, you plug it in, and it has different settings and it turns any tub into a jetted tub. So if you want that hotel feel, that spa feel at home, you can recreate it and then you can use like some bath bombs or whatever, or some bath salts to really get a nice luxurious feel. Something else I love is this pill organizer. I use it every single day. This is arthritis friendly. It has 4 different sections and you can organize like your pills. So I have like Tums, omeprazole, Tylenol, whatever, but I keep them organized and it just sits in my purse and goes with me everywhere. And so I don't have to bring like a bunch of big pill bottles. This is what I use when I go on vacation and it just keeps me really streamlined and organized. And the last Amazon bestseller that I have to share with you is this AirTag holder. So I love AirTags. I have it in all of my purses and all of my luggage, stuff like that. I even have one on my dog. I actually need to change his battery. But what I love about AirTags, you can track things everywhere. Like when my family goes on vacation, say I'm not there, I'm like, oh, look, that's where they are. If you lose your bag, I'm like, oh, I can ping your bag, I know where your bag is, stuff like that. I love AirTags. So sometimes you don't want to just like put the random AirTag in there. You want it like better held, especially if it's going in like a wallet or purse. So basically this is a card. You can put the AirTag in there and you can shove it into your wallet, into a backpack, into a sleeve, something like that. It's just a way to like not lose the AirTag like in like the shell of a suitcase or something like that. This is really wonderful. It allows me to like really know where everything is. If I can't find a suitcase or bag in my home, I can literally just go on my phone and ping it. I hear it and I can use the sound to locate it, and it saves me so much time when it comes to organizing. But those are my top Amazon bestsellers. You love these items. I use them every single day. I love them too. And if you don't have them yet, I think you're really gonna love them. If you want to shop anything I shared in today's video, just head down to my description box and everything is numbered based on the number you saw up on the screen. And be sure to go follow me over on Amazon as well. And I share new finds on Amazon every single day for anyone trying to achieve the luxe look for less in their home. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.